What's up guys, how are you all doing today? Hope you guys are doing fantastic as always. It is hot as hell where I'm at. If you guys live in Southern California, you will know exactly what I've been talking about. We've been having like 3 consecutive days with over 100-degree weather, and I am dying in this heat right now. But let's get this video started nonetheless. Let's get right into it. So unfortunately, I've got some bad news with this car. And as the title of the video suggests, this car has a fuel leak. It is currently leaking fuel right now. So I guess in order to explain this problem that I'm having, I guess it would probably be good to give you guys some context regarding the symptoms and the background of how this kind of started. So essentially, about a week ago or so, I started to notice a rich fuel smell emanating from my car, particularly when I was driving and the car was at a standstill, like at a stoplight or stop sign. And I was kind of like, that's interesting. I didn't really think much of it at the time because, I don't know, because N54s give off a lot of weird smells. They give off a lot of weird symptoms as well. So I figured whatever, it's probably just something it'll pass by. But come to figure, as the days kept continuing, this smell continued to get more and more intense, and it was starting to become a point of concern. And I was like, what is this? What really got me to delve into looking into it was essentially when I had parked my car one evening and I left the car in the garage and I went back to it because I was going out somewhere, and about 2 hours later my entire garage smelled of raw gasoline, like fuel. And I was like, what the heck, that's not normal. You know, at first I thought, okay, well maybe it's because I'm catless, you know, obviously I would be smelling some exhaust fumes and stuff, but this was just like a completely overwhelming smell. It was completely dominant throughout my garage, and I was like, something's not normal here. Following that, occasionally when I start the car, it will crank for a while. So instead of starting normally, it seems like it'll crank a little bit longer and it'll kind of hiccup a tad bit, and then it'll start. It's not like the car doesn't start or anything, but it seems like occasionally it'll take a little bit longer to start. And I don't know if that's due to like potential fuel starvation due to the fuel leak or something. But anyway, I traced the smell to come from the driver's side rear wheel well. So when I would go and like take a little sniff test or whatever, I could totally smell fuel coming predominantly from that area. Now, I did some research on the forums on like Beamer posts and stuff like that, and go figure, a ton of other people have had this issue. So what is it specifically? What I believe it is, and I don't have 100% confirmation, is that it is a leak in the actual fuel filter assembly of the car, or I believe the other name for it is the sending unit. So essentially the low pressure fuel pump is on the right side of the car towards the rear, and then it sends it to this fuel filter thing or something like that, which is on the left side of the rear, and then it sends that to the high pressure fuel pump. Now, apparently the assembly, it's pretty common for it to crack over time, I guess. And what happens is you will start leaking fuel. The way you can verify this is by removing the back seats, pulling off the cap to the fuel filter assembly, and then seeing if it's damp around that area. And if it's wet and stuff, obviously you're leaking fuel because it's gasoline that's getting in the area. And that would also make sense as to why the smell is coming from the driver's side rear wheel well. It just kind of adds up. So basically, my next course of action is to remove the rear seat, verify that yes, indeed, this is the issue, and from there, I'm going to be ordering a brand new fuel filter assembly, or the sending unit, whatever it's called. I don't really know the specific name, but I looked it up. It's like 190 bucks, and it doesn't seem that hard to DIY, but it's interesting because I never expected a problem like this to happen. It's not like I can't drive the car. Obviously, I'm driving the car right now. Right now, I'm not taking it anywhere far. I just drive it within a few mile radius of my house. You know, just to get around when I need to. Alright, so I apologize, the car is a bit dirty. It's kind of impossible to keep this thing clean, especially as it's my daily driver. But even right now, I can smell the fuel. It's coming from this area. It's not a very strong smell right now, but from certain angles, the smell will kind of emanate. So I assume it's a minor leak. I don't think it's anything like dangerous to where like something could catch fire, but obviously, you know, I'm trying to minimize driving the car. I drove it for this video, but you know, I'm gonna have to get that sorted and figure it out. But this is the area that it is coming from. So anyway guys, that is going to do it for this video. Like I said, nothing too special. This is more of just an update as to the status of the car and kind of what's been going on with it in the past couple of weeks, I guess you could say. If you guys have any suggestions regarding what this could be, if you don't think it's the sending unit or the fuel filter assembly, please leave your comments down below. If you guys have experienced this issue, please let me know, just so I have an idea of, you know, what this could be, what's going on with the car. It drives fine, it holds boost, no misfiring or anything. Like I said, everything's normal, aside from that really strong smell. If you did enjoy this video, be sure to leave me a big thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the YouTube channel Simply Car Things. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I really do genuinely appreciate all of your guys' support, the comments, the messages, the likes, the love. It really does mean a lot, and I want to reciprocate that back to you guys. So thank you so much. Have a great day. I'll catch you all in the next one.